Welcome to AlphaCars and Ural Motorcycles. My name is Dmitry, and today we're checking out this great burnt orange Ural Gear Up. We already have a nice video in the showroom, and by popular demand we're doing one outside, and I intentionally had to wait for this lighting condition to most accurately show the color. It is a beautiful color. It is toned down orange. Also, we call it burnt orange, and I think this is the best lighting condition to show this bike. And since we are showing the bike again, we're gonna glance. We're not gonna spend too much time, but we're gonna glance at just some of the accessories. You can see here the nose rack, and of course the front bumper with the dual LED driving lamps with protective grills. We have another driving lamp on the sidecar fender. We have light protection on the fender lights. We have a fender rack. We have the rear bumper. Another protection on the tail light on the bike. We have the dual seating. And then we have the powder-coated drivetrain, H4 headlamp upgrade with the LED bulb, and with the visor. We do have the device mount on this bike. Let's look at the controls. The gas tank has an optional compartment. Hindenau knobby tires, and these are not the off-road knobby. This is something that actually does very well on pavement. Let's look at the two-wheel drive controls. We have the lever right there, and the linkage leads to the final drive where it turns on and off the on-demand two-wheel drive system. Let's take a peek at the underbody of the bike since we're on this. As you can see, exceptional quality for fit and finish, and just the way that all the engineering ideas, which are brilliant, implemented. Checking out the front brakes, Brembo calipers, floating rotors. I pull the tonneau cover forward, and on the inside you can see very, very roomy sidecar. Here's the control panel with a fuse box that allows up to two additional electrical circuits. The switch you see, that's for the optional equipment, and there's above that there's a 12-volt European plug. The interior of the sidecar tub is also sprayed with protective coating prior to refinishing. And the same is true for the cargo compartment. As you can see, it has the spray-on liner. And also what is true is that right here you can see the spray-on liner on the underbody of the sidecar, as well as on the inside of all three fenders. And for those of you that are not familiar with the two-wheel drive system, it is an on-demand, shaft-driven two-wheel drive system, and the bike is purpose-built, purpose-engineered to carry a sidecar and to have the two-wheel drive. As you can see, it also has all disc brakes on all three wheels. It has adjustable shocks on all three wheels. And here's the drive shaft leading from the transmission, manual transmission, dual disc dry clutch, super durable, and the bike is, the engine is unbelievable. It's very easy to maintain, very easy to service. Everything is accessible, and I can get into phenomenal engineering ideas. And for example, the rear suspension, as you can see, this joint right here, it's actually attached through the dual roll heavy-duty bearings instead of the bushings, not to mention rubber bushings, but even the brass bushings would wear out, allowing some free play in the control arm. You don't want to have that free play. The same is true for the front suspension. So these are all bearing connections, and as you can see, it's the leading fork front suspension. Here's the underside of the fender, well protected by the spray-on liner. And again, this is great lighting to show you the color, just the way you see this color on the screen. It is very, very close to how it looks in real life. And here is Ural of New England logo. Our website, we have AlphaCars.com website where you can see the bike inventory. Also, we have a car inventory. And here's the showroom where we have all the goodies. We do have 4 locations. This is one of the showrooms. And we do have an extensive selection of accessories on our e-store, UralNE.com. We have over 600 of exciting motorcycle Ural-specific accessories. So thank you very much for viewing this video. Thank you for subscribing. Consider subscribing if you haven't. Consider sharing, and please let us know which videos you like the best by simply clicking the like button. My name is Dmitry, and until next time.